guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be preparing some baby bok choy with some chicken breast and fried rice. So let's get right into it. Here we have our bok choy. We're cutting up, already washed with salt and everything, well fresh. So guys, I am not cutting this up too fine. I'm cutting it up medium, so you know these things shrink once they're in the pots. And now I am cutting up my seasoning, so I'm cutting up some scallion to add to it. I also have some bell pepper, so I have the red and the yellow and orange bell pepper. So I'm not doing it too neat, you know, just some medium-sized cutting I will be giving it today. And now I have my garlic, so you know garlic is very. Now I have a small onion, and then this is the orange bell pepper. So I'm gonna cut, this is Scotch bonnet pepper. And I have one carrot, a medium carrot, so I will be dicing that up. So guys, you can add whatever seasoning you like, but these are the ones that I use in my baby bok choy when I'm preparing it. So I'm now adding everything to the pot to saute and then add my bok choy. And guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And thank you guys for tuning in to Pal's Island Kitchen every week. So now we're sauteing our vegetable right here to make sure that everything, all the spices, everything is locked in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my baby bok choy. So once I add this in, I'm gonna be stirring everything up. Make sure we lock in all the spices, all the vegetable that we sauteed before to give you that nice flavor. So this is how I prepare my baby bok choy. Maybe you guys prepare it a different way, but this is Pal style. So guys, I like to see when I'm like steaming my veg or anything like pop chow, cabbage, those things, I like to see a lot of seasoning in there. Vegetables like your carrot, your bell pepper. I like to see my vegetables very colorful, you know. Yeah, that's how I like it. So I will be adding some salt also. And I also had a Maggi cube. This one is the garlic and onion cube. It's very nice. Give your food a nice flavor. And I also had some black pepper too. So I'm going to stir this and make sure I locked in all the spices that I just added to it. See all those niceness. I will just eat this just as it is, but I am going to be adding some chicken breast to it that I am actually preparing on the other side of the stove right now. So I also, you can add chicken breast to it. You can add anything you want to add to it. You can just eat it just as it is. So I'm covering the lid to make it steam a little. So here we go again, guys. Now I'm gonna be adding my chicken breast. This looks so nice. I'll just eat this just as it is. So here we have some fried chicken breast. Stir this in. Make sure you get all the vegetable and mixtures in, all the niceness from the chicken, everything, guys. This is a nice dish. This is like a one pot meal, you know, with the vegetable and the meat. So yeah, this is nice. And I will be serving this meal, this with some fried rice that I am also going to be doing. So I'm gonna cover the lid for this and check on my fried rice. So this is my vegetable fried rice. So you have eggs and you have mixed vegetable, and guys, this is amazing. I will do a video of the fried rice by itself next time in the next video. So now my fried rice is ready. I already this so now I'm gonna be adding my Bok Choy with chicken breast to it, as my husband will call it, chicken stir-fried chicken. So yeah, and this is very easy and very delicious meal. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for making it Pal's Island Kitchen. Please follow me on Instagram at Pals_Island_Kitchen. And on Facebook, it's Pal's Island Kitchen. So guys, remember, live good, love God, walk good, and be safe. And remember, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. Thank you very much, and have a good day.